Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to create a dashboard view within your ClickUp space or list or what have you. Let's go ahead and jump into the list that I want to make the dashboard for. So I'm currently in my ideas for this channel where I usually have those. And now I am going to click, so I'll show you. There's list, board, which shows you where everything is. If we go over to board, it's like a Kanban board of, hey, these are all over here, and it's got quick lists. I'm going to go over to the view, and then we can click on dashboard. It has new next to it, but it may not be new. All right, so let's go ahead and see. Here we have the dashboard created, but now we can go in and we can, I guess, change up the different dashboard settings. So if we wanted to, we can customize this. So we can change the text here and have this be like, hey there, this is for the simple software tips channel and the status of all the video ideas. All right. So now I want to get rid of that, and we can click save. So now you can see that is the component that is up here. Now we do have other things that we can change up and we can look at. We can refresh here. We can view it in full screen. We can change up what these show. Now if we go up here to customizing the dashboard, we can change this dashboard. I'm going to have this be simple software tips dashboard. Let's see what's down here in these settings. We can pin this view. So this will be the view that we see right away when we come into this list. We could have the private protected default view. Let's go out. We can see which tasks have been completed this week, how many are assigned to whom they're assigned to, how many are unassigned. And this is just right out of the box. There are things that you can do to change this up and see different pieces of data, but this is pretty good for out of the box and just how to create a simple dashboard view for your list. But hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials down in the description down below.